Today, I'm going to teach you a simple yet highly profitable trading strategy which you can use as soon as you complete watching this 4 minutes video. All you have to do is complete watching this video, go to TradingView or any platform you like, choose any asset you like and start trading without any complex technical analysis. And no matter if you are into scalping or not, you are going to enjoy this strategy a lot. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, before we move forward, let me tell you that there are chances that some of you might have seen a similar strategy, but do not underestimate this strategy because I have made some tweaks that increases the win rate of the strategy highly, and also there are some rules that will help you win consistently with this strategy. So, as always, I have divided this strategy in 3 parts: finding a move, marking support and resistance, and entering a trade. And at the end of this video, there are some strict rules that you need to follow, which will help you be consistent with this strategy. The first step is finding the move. And the thing is, when the market moves, it doesn't move in a straight line like this. It moves up like this, then it moves down, then again moves up like this, and it keeps on moving like that. So your job here is to find one such move. Like over here, the price moved up and then it moved down. So this whole is one single move for us. Now, after you're done with that, here comes our second step. And in this, all you need to do is find a support or resistance. Like in the previous example, we found our move, right? Like over here. Now you can see how this move initially moved above this previous high or resistance. So now this will act as a support. And all you have to do is take this line and draw it like this. So our 2 steps are done. Now moving on to the third step, which is how to enter. Now, what we will do here is we will take this tool, that is the Fibonacci tool from the toolbox, which you can find it over here, and draw from the start of this move to the end like this. Now, for someone who do not know how to use Fibonacci retracement, I have already added a video on that and you can check it out by clicking the I button over here. So, moving forward, after drawing the Fibonacci retracement, when the price reaches this support, we will enter a buy trade. And doesn't matter if the Fibonacci level is 0.386 or 0.5 or 0.618 level. Okay. And our stop loss will always be below the 0.618 level, like over here. And the take profit will be at the end of the Fibonacci level, which is around this level. Now, again, let us take one more example. If you can see, after this was a support, right? Then the price breached it. And now this will act as a resistance. So that was the second step, but I did it first. So this was the first move, right? So the first step was to find a move. So this is the move. Then we have a resistance. Take this Fibonacci tool, draw it like this. Then you can see how the price moved till this level. What we will do is enter a short position at this point. That is at the resistance. A stop loss will be few pips above the 0.618 level. And then a take profit will be a few pips above this. We are again getting a risk to reward ratio of 2.24. Now, finally, there are a few rules that you need to follow to win consistently with this strategy. So the first one is, if you lose 3 times in a row, you stay away from the chart for that particular day. The second one is, if you lose one trade, don't doubt the strategy and just move on to the next trade. The third is, take the trades that give you a minimum of 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Because I have tried this strategy and the win rate at first, when I was just trying it, that is for the beginners was around 40 to 50%. And for intermediate, it was around 50 to 60%. And once I mastered it, it went around 70 to 80%. Okay, so the next rule is, do not risk more than 3% on a single trade. The next rule is, only take one trade at a time. And the final rule is, only trade major currency pairs, and that too on a time frames 3 minutes and 5 minutes max. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this strategy. If you did, then make sure you hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.